Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with BTCC, absolutely incredible exchange who are currently offering a 10% deposit bonus on any size deposit, which is absolutely insane. That means you could deposit 10k on the platform and get a 1k bonus for doing absolutely nothing, not to mention all their other great features and bonuses including copy trading, etc. So make sure to go down in the description and get signed up with them, along with all of our other great partnerships which are all offering great rewards for signing up and trading, including MEXC, XRocket and many more. So just taking a quick look at Solana then on our daily time frame. As we could see, not too much to report for Solana. It has been consolidating quite significantly over the past week or two. Really, as I said, not too much going on. We're basically just looking at having a very, I would say a little bit of a cooling off period for Solana, basically just bouncing back up pretty much 1-for-1 in line with Bitcoin here, as you can see. This is nothing to do with Solana specifically, and everything to do really with Bitcoin having a decent pump to the upside here, as you can see here. Basically come down, tapped into that area of liquidity I was looking for, broken out the descending wedge, run all the way back up, and retrace this whole choppy move that we've seen, currently sitting just under 100k. And as a result, if we look at Solana, you can see it broke out of its downtrend, came down, tapped $100, which was a big level of liquidity, bounced back to the upside, as we can see. Now chopping around for the last few weeks, just consolidating and trying to figure out where to go next, because Bitcoin is basically doing the same thing. It's just following exactly what Bitcoin's doing right now. I think if Bitcoin had a big move to the downside, we'd most likely see Solana coming back down towards this level, towards $120 at the bottom of this previous range, as you can see that we've been in for a good while. Overall, Solana, I think, looking pretty good and had a really nice liquidation of all these people, especially all these people down below the range low here. And overall, we could be looking at having a nice reversal and continuation to the upside. Obviously, as I said, all depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin leads the market, and until we see ourselves getting a decent decorrelation of the altcoin market from Bitcoin, we're most likely just going to be basically having more sideways, and every time that Bitcoin dumps, it is going to dump the market pretty damn significantly. Overall, though, I am bullish on Solana. I do think Solana is going to go up and hit $1,000 at some point, so I do continuously buy this because I do think it's going to be easy money over the next 3, 4, 5 years as we continue to the upside. Overall, right now, I would say that Solana is just looking like it's chilling and it is waiting for Bitcoin to decide what's going to happen next with the market. You can see here Bitcoin in a very undecided area, I would say, getting pretty overextended on this local move to the upside. But I would say overall, we are probably going to be looking at Bitcoin heading up towards that all-time high over the next few months, aren't we? Unless we do see ourselves having a huge dip from this area of premium back down into this area again for another retest before continuation. But I think in terms of the macro, Bitcoin here looking like it's had its retrace and is probably going to continue back to the upside again. Overall, Solana is probably going to be riding that wave in a very similar fashion as it has been all cycle. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for a massive BTCC bonus so you can receive and get involved with all our other great partnerships as well. Thanks a lot for watching.